everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about tip-top detailing. Tip-top detailing is the process of cleaning and restoring your car to its original condition. It's a more in-depth cleaning process than a regular car wash, and it can help to improve the appearance and value of your car. What is tip-top detailing? Tip-top detailing is a comprehensive car cleaning and detailing service that includes both interior and exterior detailing. It's more than just a car wash. It's a deep clean and restoration of your car, both inside and out. What does tip-top detailing include? Tip-top detailing typically includes the following services. Exterior detailing. This includes washing, waxing, and polishing the exterior of your car. It also includes cleaning the wheels and tires. Interior detailing. This includes vacuuming, cleaning the seats and upholstery, and cleaning the dashboard and other surfaces. It may also include shampooing the carpets and headliner. Why should you get your car tip-top detailed? There are many reasons to get your car tip-top detailed. It can help to improve the appearance of your car, protect the paint and finish of your car, remove dirt, grime, and pollutants from your car, increase the value of your car. How often should you get your car tip-top detailed? How often you need to get your car tip-top detailed depends on a number of factors, such as the climate you live in, how often you drive, and how dirty your car gets. However, it's a good idea to get your car tip-top detailed at least once a year. How to find a good tip-top detailing service? When looking for a good tip-top detailing service, it's important to do your research and read reviews. You should also ask about the services that are included and the products that are used. Conclusion: tip-top detailing is a great way to keep your car looking its best and running smoothly. If you're looking for a way to improve the appearance and value of your car, tip-top detailing is a great option. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Bonus tip: if you're on a budget, there are a number of things you can do to detail your car yourself. There are many tutorials and resources available online and in libraries. Additional tip-top detailing tips. Here are a few additional tip-top detailing tips. Use high-quality products. When detailing your car, it's important to use high-quality products. Avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive cleaners, as these can damage the paint and finish of your car. Instead, use products that are specifically designed for car detailing. Take your time. Don't rush the detailing process. It takes time to do a good job. Be sure to pay attention to the details and don't skip any steps. Get professional help. If you're not comfortable detailing your car yourself, you can always hire a professional detailer. Professional detailers have the experience and expertise to get your car looking its best. I hope these tip-top detailing tips help you to keep your car looking its best and running smoothly.